Happy morning, children. We will discuss the concept of universal set. Now, in geography, you have already studied the meaning of universe. You know that. What is universe? When we talk about universe, it means almost everything, whatever exists, not only on the earth. See, when we talk about world, it is earth, and earth is a planet. But when we talk about universe, it means everything or whatever matter is there all around, space, time. It includes just about everything, the whole of everything, the planets, the earth, the sun, the moon, the solar system, the galaxies, everything including the space. Just about everything is universe. Means if we talk about universe, it means here it will be in mathematical term, the universal set will be the biggest of all sets. In any example which will be given to you, if you can find out which set is the biggest, then that set will be the universal set. And here they have given the meaning. Think of a bigger set which will accommodate all the given set. Now, which will accommodate all the given sets means what? If you are talking about the biggest set, then naturally the remaining sets will be smaller. Then naturally the biggest set will be able to accommodate all the given sets under consideration, which is in general is known as universal set. So what you can understand about universal set? It is the biggest set. Now one example is given to you. What it says, suppose we want to study the students in class 9 who frequently remain absent. Means most of the time they remain absent. Then we have to think of all the students of class 9. Now, if as a standard 9C class teacher, suppose I am, and I want to know which students do not watch these videos most of the time. So what I will do? I will have to check all from boys group, from girls group 9C, both the groups. Means from class 9th C, I have to see how many students are there in my class, how many students are watching the videos, how many students are not watching the videos. Means it's like they are remaining absent. We have to mark them absent. So I have to look at my class as a whole, right? So I will not say boys group 9C, girls group 9C. What I will do? It will be a whole for me. All boys group, all girls group together will be a whole for me. And from the class 9th C, what are going to be the parts? Boys group will be one part and girls group will be one part. That is called as the other sets are under consideration. Okay. Now, here they have said, okay, it's not about like, now as a class teacher of 9C, suppose I will look after 9C. But madam, as a head of the school, she does not want only 9C division. She wants 9th A also. How many students are not watching? She wants 9th B also. Like standard 9th. When we talk about standard 9th, it will be A, B, C all put together. Then the other teachers will also look at their groups. And then they will also find out. So, if you look at it, standard 9th as such will become a biggest group, wherein 9th A, 9th B, 9C will be the smaller group. Like we will call them as smaller sets. So, so the word is given under consideration. So, this is the way the meaning has to be understood. So, here they have given the example. I think you will get it. Then we have to think of all the students of class 9th. So, you understood the meaning, standard 9th, what I spoke about. So, all the students in a school, see, or they have said, we can consider like as a head, madam doesn't want only 9th standard. She may ask other classes also. So, all the students have to be considered. Generally, full data has to go to madam. So, all the class teachers will see which students they do not watch videos regularly. Means they are remaining absent. So, everything decided. So, at this point of time, we can say that full school as such can also be called as it's the biggest group. Under consideration, that is the meaning of it. Now, when the data goes to madam, it goes of all the classes, right from 5th to 10th standard. So she will be seeing all the classes. So for at that moment of time when the data goes to madam, it will be SVS High School. See, we are not talking about primary. SVS High School from 5th to 10th standard. So this 5th to 10th standard SVS High School will become the biggest set, right? So this is the meaning of universal set. So all the students in the school or the students of all the divisions of class 9th in the school is the universal set. So under consideration, you can take all the students in a school is the biggest set. It is the universal set. Or you can take it as standard 9th, only if standard 9 data is needed, because lot of weightage goes to what 9th standard students are doing, because 9th standard is an important year where marks are important. 5th to 8th they are promoted, they may not do well, but yet they are promoted from next class. But 9th to 10th you have to study hard, you have to get the marks. So lot of weightage is given to 9th standard. So here they have studied. Under consideration, you can take standard 9th also as the universal set, or you can take full school as a universal set. Okay. So here the example you can see here again is one more example is given. A cricket team of 15 students is to be selected from a school. Cricket team has to be selected from a school. Here all the students from the school who plays cricket is the universal set. Now they want to select a team of what? The students who can play cricket very well. So from the best students we have to prepare one team. So to prepare a team, first we should know which students are actually playing cricket. Now there are so many students who may not like to play cricket. They may be playing hockey or some other sport. So you have to first check how many students are interested in playing cricket and regularly they are playing cricket. So from those students only we are going to select the team. So here very simple way is given. Here all the students from school. So all the students who play cricket will be the universal set. And from those students who are playing regularly, who are cricketers we can call them, from them the best 15 students are going to be selected. So that best 15 students will be a smaller set, because maximum students will be the universal set, because universal set is the biggest set. And that 15-member team which will be selected, that will be the subset. Subset topic we have already studied. Subset means what? A part. And subset will be smaller than the universal set. Universal set will be the biggest one. So here very important, generally the universal set is denoted by U. See, it is denoted by U, here it's given. And in Venn diagram, it is represented by a rectangle. See now, this rectangle as such. Okay, it shows all the students in the school who play cricket. That will be the universal set. And here, team of cricket players will be the subset of the universal set, students who play cricket. Okay, this way you can show with the help of Venn diagram. Now, I hope you have understood it, and we have already discussed the Venn diagram also. Last time we had discussed about Venn diagram, that the pictorial form of showing sets is the best method to show sets is by using Venn diagram. So we can just remember that universal set, the biggest set, is represented by rectangle. That point you should remember. I hope you have understood the concept.